We're here at Liwasang Bonifacio in Manila, where hundreds of jeepney drivers have gathered to protest the looming phase-out of the Philippines' iconic jeepneys to give way to foreign-made and modern minibuses. Transport advocates say this can lead to a corporate takeover of public transport and can put thousands of jeepney drivers and operators into debt and can only worsen the already dire public transportation situation in the country.
Malaking epekto po sa amin, lalo na dito lang po kami kumukuha ng ikabubuhay ng aming pamilya. Dito lang po kami umaasa. Bakit kami tinatanggalan ngayon ng kabuhayan? Ibinibilang pa kami doon sa mga maraming manggagawa na walang hanap buhay.
Kasi pinipilit ng gobyerno na i-phase out kami. Kung gayon kami na may naghahanap ng buhay na marangal sa kalye. At ito lang ang kinabubuhay namin. Upang pag-aralin ko ang aking mga anak,